Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solution. Friends, in today's video we will discuss about Tech Mahindra today's exam slot, exam pattern guys. Because guys, Tech Mahindra has again just changed a little bit in exam pattern. So let us discuss about round 1. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, please subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button. Okay, so the basically pattern is very easy and very simple. Round 1 guys. Okay, so let's see. In the first section you will got logical ability, right? Now in the logical ability guys, there are next section is we will discuss number of questions or what are the topics you can prepare for that. Okay, let's discuss. The next section is quantitative ability, right? But it will little advanced. Okay, not very easy, little advanced. The next, there is a last section is essay writing, right? Let us discuss number of questions. First of all guys, in the logical ability you have a 12 questions and 15 minutes guys, right? The next section you have a 12 question and 15 minutes, same as logical. But in the last essay writing, you have a one topic and 25 minutes for writing or something on this essay topic. Or maybe guys, it's not compulsory ki essay was only there. Sometimes they've just give you one conditions, so that guys you need to write about that condition or some statement, some condition, some paragraph, right? Or sometimes they are just give you some latest news, so they are asking you to write your own review on that topic, right? So these type of questions is asked in writing essay section. Let us discuss about logical ability. So now guys, in the logical ability, logical questions are there, means like log or statement by statement conclusion by types questions, right? Or some direction based questions, setting arrangement. Okay, so these blood relation, these type of questions are asked in logical ability. Now in the quantitative or logical, in the logical ability guys, make sure you have completed some series based questions as well. Okay, some practice on some series based question, right? The next thing is quantitative ability. Some logarithmic questions are there. Okay, or speed, time and distance, profit loss, okay, percentage. So these type of sections are asked in quantitative ability advanced section, right? So this is the basic pattern for round 1 Tech Mahindra exam. If you clear this round, you will go to next technical or psychometrics round. Clear guys? So this is all about today's video. We will meet on next video very soon. And guys, try to share this video with your friends, so that guys, your friends are also updated with this pattern, right? And try to share this in your college group. That much better guys, it will better. Okay, one more thing, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, still please subscribe, because we are daily uploading placement material, hiring updates and all the updates related to your placement guys, right? So go and subscribe and try to share our channel with your friends. Ask your juniors to join our channel, so that it will helpful for your juniors as well as for you for getting placed in good MNCs like Accenture, Tech Mahindra or XYZ, right? So thank you for watching this video friends. We will meet on next video. Thank you, bye bye, and take care and best of luck for your Tech Mahindra round 1. Okay, and I will make more videos related to this exam. What type of questions are there, we will discuss in some another video, right? So it's all about this video. We'll meet on next. Take care, bye bye.